I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market today. Cattle was lower. It seems that the cash cattle was lower than it was last week, and that really sent the market lower again. It's about $1 lower, in fact, and it was ahead of the cattle auction today. So we'll see. There hasn't been much lined up for the auction today, but the market's kind of like sinking a little bit. It seems that the futures did break through a key support area, so we've got some of the traders a little bit rattled. They're somewhat nervous, and the slaughter-ready supplies are up, so that certainly means that there's going to be more, supplies in the pipeline. It makes it, and that adds to some of the pressure of the market. Also, the feeders. Now, the feeders were steady all day until at the very end. Then it kind of gave way a little bit, but the futures were finding a foothold at this level, and so staying strong a lot. It seems that the discounted futures kind of encouraged some buying interest, and it came in and held the market up for a little while, and but it then fell right after that, right before the bell here, which is kind of interesting, because seasonally this would be a time for a real upturn, and we're into spring. We expect over the next couple of weeks that the market should start to pick back up. Maybe today it little overshot its objective. That would be a perfect time to step right in. Hogs were consolidating, thank goodness, because they have been straight down for a number of days, and it seems that the traders are expecting a real lift in the futures as well. It seems that the cash market looks like it's going to be on the rise. We've gotten to a point where it's technically well oversold. We expect the market to really start to make a turn. It's slowing down somewhat. Springtime is here. We're going to expect that the hog slaughter was already at its peak, so it's come off that somewhat. We know there's a lot of supplies. We're starting to get through them. There is some worry about China with all those pork supplies that they use the hog market as well as a weapon in this trade war. But it hasn't happened yet, but we're watching that closely. That's one thing that's going to be on the horizon and on everyone's mind really for the next couple of days. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.